back to my channel Prettify by Surbhi. In today's video we are going to do two things. One, we are going to see the correct way to apply blush, and secondly we are going to see 7 of my favorite blushes available at any drugstore. So most of the blushes that I'm going to show are powder blushes, and only one of them is going to be, I guess, a cream based blush. I'm more fond of powder blushes as they are more buildable, and I somehow like them more. So without wasting too much of time, let's get started. So I'm going to start with the first step, which is telling you the correct method to apply blush. For that, I'm going to use a blush brush, and I'm going to use Color Bar Luminous Blush in the number 02. Take a little quantity on your blush brush. Depending on the amount of blush that you need, you can always build up. So I suggest take less in the beginning, and then you can always build up and increase if you want later on. So once you take it on your blush brush, take off the excess and start from the apple of your cheeks and go upwards. From apple of your cheeks to the cheekbone and to the hairline. So you just need to go in the upward direction, and just go in circular motions. So a lot of people just create that patch. Please do not create that patch. That looks horrible. So if you really want a natural glow, just highlight this area. Of course, there are a lot of different ways to apply blush, but in this video we are just going to see one method, which is the very basic and a routine method to apply blush. So you can see that's how your blush is going to look. So you can see the difference in both the sides. We'll create the same look on the other side. So I'm going to use same colors and apply. So I'll start from the apple of my cheek, going from cheekbone up to the hairline. Just see how the blush enhances the look. It really lifts up the face and just gives a very natural glow. The better you will blend, the better the look will be. In routine, I suggest in an everyday look, do not put too heavy blushes. Too much of blush on a routine makes it look too heavy and doesn't look natural. I really love blushes a lot, so I ensure that in my routine, if I'm going out, I do apply blush. I can skip anything but not kajal and blush. So now you can see. Now whenever you apply blush, you just need to see that there is a balance on both the sides. One side should not look too heavy and the other side should not look too light. So you need to strike a balance by either building up on the lighter side or reducing the heavier side. A very small tip is you can just click a selfie and see whether it looks natural. If you're especially going out somewhere for an event and you really don't want to get embarrassed later on, just click a selfie and see whether your face looks natural and balanced on both the sides. So now moving on to the second part of the video, where I'm going to show my favorite 7 blushes from drugstores. I'm going to talk about each one of them in terms of quality, quantity, pigmentation, texture, their staying power and the price. The first blush is by Chambord Luminous Blush in the number 05 Sunset Rose. It's a beautiful metallic packaging in single color. It comes with a mirror and a blush brush for easy application. It's a very travel friendly kind of packaging. It's a very nice sun-kissed kind of a blush. It has a wonderful pigmentation. It gives a sun-kissed look. It's ideal for an everyday look, very natural nude look, and it's quite buildable. It's matte and does not have shimmer. So it's very good for everyday purpose. It easily stays for 5 to 6 hours. The quantity is 6 grams and it is priced at rupees 775. It's powdery in texture and it glides really well on the skin. The next one is again by Chambord. It's in the color 61 soft strawberry. Again the quantity is 6 grams and it also comes with a small mirror and brush which I have lost. So I'll just swatch this for you. It's a very light nudish color. So let's see the. So if you see, it has a lot of sheer in this. It does not have shimmer, but then it has that shine thing, that sheer glow. So it's very, very good for natural look when you really don't want to show that you've applied a blush and still you want your face to glow. Then I think this soft strawberry is a must buy. I think it's really, really good with pigmentation. The texture is very smooth and soft, and it easily stays for 5 to 6 hours, and it is priced at rupees 545. It has vitamin A and vitamin E, which is very good for skin. Next blush is by Colorbar, Cheek Illusion 009 number, Coral Craving. So it's a simple round blush. It does not have any mirror or any brush. It has 4 grams of product. It is priced at rupees 650. I'll just swatch this for you. I'll just swatch it next to the. So I'll swatch it next to the Chambord one. Now it is moderate with the pigmentation. It is, I'll not say that it's too great or too strong with pigmentation, but it is easily buildable. So if I now just add more to it, it's easily buildable. So again, it's for everyday use, for routine. If you really want to give those natural looking peach cheeks with those light nude lipsticks, or even peachy or orangey lipsticks, then I think it's a great product. It's slightly shimmery and not purely matte. It is more like a blush plus highlighter. Stays for around 4 to 5 hours. The next one is again by Colorbar, Cheek Illusion, same range, in the number 08 Pink Pinch. The quantity, quality, pigmentation, everything remains the same. The only thing that I want to show is the color. If you have seen my BB cream makeup tutorial video, I have used this one there. So unlike the previous one, which is more orangey corally, this one is more pinky. So if you want to give a little more pink look, so I'll again like I said, this is not too strong on pigmentation, so you need to build it up, but it's again very, very good for a natural everyday look. So again, you can just build it up as much as you want. So the next blush is by L'Oreal 07 Paradise Coral. It comes in a very sleek metallic packaging. It has a mirror inside and comes with a brush. I have again kept the brush separately, so it has a mirror and brush. It has 3 colors of blushes in this, beautiful shades of peach, brown and pink. It's very, very good for travel since it has 3 colors, so you can just use them separately or you can just mix them all and just create a color of your choice. It has 4.5 grams of quantity and is priced at rupees 850. It is very good with pigmentation. It is very light to wear, and I'll just now swatch all the colors for you. So the first color that I'm swatching is the pink color. So you can just see the pigmentation. Unlike Colorbar, L'Oreal blushes have very good pigmentation. The second color, the little more browny and corally color, so you can just see. And the third color is the lightest color. These are the 3 colors in the palette. It's easily buildable and contains gold and silver micro shimmers. which gives a very natural and beautiful look to your face. The L'Oreal Paradise Coral stays for 4 to 5 hours easily. By the way, I just want to ask, did you subscribe to my channel? If not so far, then please do subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free of cost. And don't miss to click on that bell button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. So the next we have is L'Oreal Infallible Blush Paint Stick. It has somewhere around 7 grams of quantity, and it comes in a retractable form. So you can just take it out, take it in, whatever quantity you need. And it's more of creamy paint stick. So I'll just swatch it directly to you for you. It's very high on pigmentation, so all you need to do is to just put dots on your face and just keep blending it. The only thing that you need to keep in mind with this is you just don't put the patch, just put maybe 2-3 dots and just blend it. You need to blend it immediately. You can also take it on your hand and then put it on your face. It depends on how you want. If you are used to creamy blushes, then you can just put 2 or 3 dots and just blend it on your face directly. So it is priced at rupees 9.99 and it's a very travel friendly glide on stick, very comfortable. And even if you do not have brush, or if you lose your blush brush, then it is also not a problem because you can just apply it directly. So it's a very good product. The L'Oreal Paint Stick stays for easily 5 to 6 hours. So the last and my favorite blush is from Color Bar Luminous Rouge Blush range. It is in the color 02 Luminous Coral. The best thing about this it comes in 3 colors. It's a powder blush. It has brownie tone. I hope you can see the exact color. It has a brownie color, peachy, and a very nudish light peach color. So it is very good with pigmentation. It is 9.5 grams and it is priced around rupees 1200. It has micro shimmers in it. Swatch this for you. So the darkest one, so you can just see, that's the brown one, the darkest one. Next one is a more corally orangish color. Just see. And the last one is the natural peach, natural look. You can now see all the 3 shades together. So like L'Oreal Paradise Coral, this is also great for traveling. The only drawback is it does not have mirror or brush, but still I feel it's a very good product, especially for travel. You can easily use all the blush colors separately, or you can just mix them all and create a new color of your own. I hope you like my collection of blushes. These are very affordable, barring the last one, which is Color Bar Luminous Rouge Blush, which is for 1200. Others are all below 1000 rupees. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Keep smiling, keep shining, stay pretty, take care.